Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to begin today's lesson on the center of the page with a curve across the top of the muzzle. So let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this up and then back down towards the right. Now underneath that curve, we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to step down, draw a shorter curve across the top of the nose, and then from the ends, bend this down and then in towards the center point. Let's go back up to the top of the nose. We're going to draw an oval for highlight, going all the way around and back up. And then we want to fill the bottom of the nose in black. And we want to go around that highlight. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start back on the left side, because it's down the middle, then up. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Go back to the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Now I want to open up the mouth. So we're going to start back on the left, bend this in, round out the mouth, go up and then out. And then along the bottom of the mouth in the center, add a curve for the tongue. And we'll fill the top half of the mouth in black. Let's step down and add a curve for the lower lip. We're going to come down and then up. Let's go to the side of the muzzle. We're going to draw 3 spots on either side. And we're going to go up to the top and draw 2 large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the left side on top of the muzzle. Go all the way around towards the top. Come down, just tuck that in. Let's move over towards the right and draw that same size circle. Going up to the same height, around the side, and then in. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's trace that circle along the inside for the pupil. And then along the top of the pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now from here, we're going to move up above the eyes and draw a curve for the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this up above the eyes, go across the middle, and then bend that back down. Now I want to add a trim across the center of the face. Starting from the inside of the left eye, bend this up and then out towards the top, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now along the top, let's draw the eyebrow. Bend this up and in on either side, go up towards the edge of the hat, and I'm just going to taper this down towards a point on the outside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to go back to the hat. Let's add a puffy, fluffy edge along the outside, starting on the left. Add these curves coming around and in, go up towards the top. And it's going to work our way across, just following that same curve that we have along the bottom. And then we're going to gradually bring that down towards the bottom on the right. From the bottom corner of the hat, draw a straight line coming down towards the cheeks. Now I'm going to bump out the cheek. We're going to go out, come all the way around, and just tuck that in underneath the lip on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's add a trim along the side. Starting from the top left, go around the eye and then down, and then out and down towards the cheeks. Let's go back to the center of the hat brim. We're going to draw that badge, starting with a curve in the middle. Come down and out on either side. We'll bend this down and then in towards the center point. Now let's trace this shape along the inside. Let's go to the middle and add that star. Starting from the top, we'll go around toward the left. Go back up to the top and draw in the right side. Now the ears are going to come up from underneath the hat brim. Let's start on the left. Bend this up and then out on either side. And we'll bend this back out and then down. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now I want to bring the hat coming across and then down toward the left side. So we're going to start from the inside of the right ear, bend this up, and then out in behind the left ear. We want to continue this curve on the left side of the ear, bend this around and up. And we're going to add a fluffy ball on the end. Just adding these curves going all the way around. step down, curve this down and in behind the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start on the left side, curve this down and in, add a curve on the right side. Now I'm going to go back to the left side to add a fold, coming around towards the bottom, and then up on the right. Let's add those stripes. Leaving a gap in the center, and add a curve on the left, bend this out on the right, move out and add one more curve on either side. Let's draw the end of the scarf, starting on the left, bend this out, up, and then out, round off the end, and then curve this in behind the head, and then we're going to add some fixed stripes coming in. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Start on the left side, draw a straight line coming down the inside of the left leg, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to round out the bottom of the paws, coming down, then up to the left and right side. Let's draw the top of the paw, and go up, bend this down, aiming towards that inside point. And I'll separate the paws with two curves, one on the outside and then one on the inside. Let's go back up underneath the scarf. I'm going to bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the paws. Let's go back up to the inside leg, bend this up and then out. In between the paws, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, step up again and add a curve. Let's move up again, draw a trim. Now in the center, we draw two straight lines coming down the middle. Let's draw the outside edge of the hind leg and feet. So we start out here, bend this out and up, curve this up, and then in behind the front legs. And we're just going to draw one curve to separate the paws. Let's move up and draw the hind leg, starting up here, bend this out, down, and then in. Now to go back and separate the bottom edge of the legs, starting from the left side, we'll draw a little wave going across. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our Draw Holiday Chase from Paw Patrol. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.